Today, in this lesson, we will discuss how to check a number is prime number or composite number. Let's know what is prime number and what is composite number. 1, let's begin with 1. 1 is a special number because 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. There is only one factor of 1, that is itself. So 1 is a special number. Let's look for 2. 2 is equal 1 into 2 is equal 2's factors are 1 and 2. We have 2 factors. 3 is 1 into 3, 1 and 3. 3's factors are 1 and itself 3. Let's look for 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. 4's factors are 1, 2 and 4 itself. Let's look 5. 1 into 5 is equal 5. 5's factors are 1 and 5. Let's look 6. 6 factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Here we can know, we will see that some numbers have only 2 factors and some numbers have more than 2 factors. The numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. The number which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself are called the prime numbers. So here 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. 4 and 6 have 1 and itself the number and another 1. That means there are more than 2 factors to the number. So these are composite numbers. These are the composite numbers. These are the prime numbers. Let's look. Here we have a clear idea of what is a prime number, what is a composite number. Let's know there is 1 to 50, 15 prime numbers and 50 to 100, 10 prime numbers. So all total 1 to 100, 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. Who are they? 1 to 50, there are 15 prime numbers, 1 to 50 and 50 to 100, there are 15 prime numbers, all total 25 prime numbers. 1 to 50 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. And 50 to 100, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 91. Here we have looked all the numbers from 1 to 100. There are 25 prime numbers. All these are prime numbers. Except all these, they are composite numbers and one is a special number. If there is some question, if there is a question of 1 to 100, 1 to 100, how many composite numbers are there, are present? Composite numbers are present. The answer is 74, 75, 76 and 73. These are the options 73, 74, 75, 76. We know 1 to 100, there are 100 numbers. From these 100 numbers, prime number is 25, all other are composite numbers. Wrong, 75 is wrong. Because there is present 1 is a special number, not composite number. So that's minus 1 is equal to 74. 74 is the correct answer. How many composite numbers are present from 1 to 100. That is 74 composite numbers, 25 prime numbers and 1 special number. Now we will see how we will check if a number is greater than 100. If a number is greater than 100, how do we know this is a prime number or a composite number? Let's begin from case I. I is a 241. Let's look what is the concept of finding a prime number or a composite number. Let's look. N is a given number. If n is a perfect square, if n is a perfect square, let's say square means 7 is not a perfect square, but 8 is not a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square. If n is a perfect square, then n make n root over, that will be the small n. And if n is not a perfect square, then n plus something will be a perfect square, their suitable will be n. Clear? If n is a perfect square, make its root over, then there will be small n. If n is not a perfect square, add something to the higher perfect square. Add something to reach the next perfect square and then root over it. That will be n. And we have to check all the prime numbers below n that is divisible by the number or not. Let's begin with an example. 241. Now think n is 241. n is equal to 241. Is n a perfect square? 241 is not a perfect square. So add something to make it next perfect square. 241 next perfect square is 256. So your n is 256. Here n is, we have added 15 to make it perfect square. You can know. Let's 256 is the n. Make its root over. And root over 256 root over is equal 16. 16. We have to check all the prime numbers below 16 that can be divided 241 perfectly or not. All the prime numbers below 16 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are all the prime numbers below 16. We have to check this, the n 241 divided by all these numbers is perfectly divisible or not. If sum of any one of them is perfectly divisible, if 241 is perfectly divisible by any of them, then 241 is a composite number. If 241 is not divisible by these numbers, then n is a prime number. Let's begin with 2. We all know divisibility rule for 2 is we have to check the last digit is an even number. So this is an odd number not divisible by 2. So for the divisibility rule of 3, we have to add all these numbers. If adding all these numbers is 3, 6 or 9, then this number will be divisible by 3. Let's look. 1, 4, 5, 5 to the 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. So this is not divisible by 3. Let's look for 5. For 5, the last digit should be 0 or 5. Here the last number is 1. If you divide it by 5, the remainder will be 1. So it is not divisible by 5. Let's divide it by 7. Here we will check the 7. 7 3 is 21. 31. 7 4 is 28. Remainder 3. Here there is remainder. So there is a remainder of 3. So 7 is not divisible. 241 is not divisible by 7. Let's check 11. 11 2 is 22. 21 is not divisible by 11. So 11 2 is 22. So this is not divisible by 11. Let's look for 13. 13 1 is 13. 11 111 is not divisible by 13. So this is not divisible by 13. Let's look. 13 7 is 91. So 13 1 is 104. Remainder 7. 7 is not divisible by 13. So 241 is not divisible by any of these numbers. So 241 is a prime number. So 241 is a prime number. Let's check. Let's check 289. And here n is equal to 289. 289 is a perfect square number, that is 17 square is 289. So we do not have to go to the next perfect number because this is a perfect number, perfect square number. So let's root over it. Its root over is 17. All the prime numbers below 17. No. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are all the prime numbers below 17. We have to check 289 divided by all these numbers. Yes, if someone is perfectly divisible, then it will be a composite number. If any of them is not divisible, then it will be a prime number. Let's check. 2 for the 2, this should be a even number. This is not a even number, not divisible by 3. For 3, R of 8 and 7, 17. 2 19 19 120 20 is 2 2 is not divisible by 3. So for 3 this number should be 0 or 5. This is not divisible by 7. For 7 let's check. For 7 divide this number by 7. 7 4 is 28. 9 7 1 is 7. Remainder 2. This is not divisible by 7. Let's check for 11. 11 2 is 22. 69 11 6 is 66. Remainder 3 not divisible by 11. Let's look for 13. 13 1 is 13. So 13 2 is 26. 29 13 2 is 26. Remainder 3. This is not divisible by 13. So 289 is a prime number. Let's look 337. N is equal 337. This is not a perfect square number. So next perfect square number is 361. So we have to divide 361. So its root over is equal 19. We have to check all the prime numbers below 19. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. We have to check all these numbers as it can divide 3, 3, 7 perfectly or not. For 3, this should be even number. This is not a even number, so not divisible by 3. For 3, 10, 13, this is not divisible by 5. This will be 5 or 0. This is not divisible by 5. For 7, let's check. 7 4 is 28. 5 57. 7 8 is 56. Remainder 1. So not divisible by. For 11, 3 is 33. 0. Remainder 7. Not divisible by. Let's check 13. 13 2 is 26, 77. 13 5 is 65. 12, this is not divisible by 13. Let's check for 17. 17 1 is 17. 67. 17 9 is 153. So this is not divisible by 17. So 361 is a prime number. Check 391. Here n is equal 391. 391 is not a perfect square. So next perfect square is 400. Make it the root over 420. Check all the prime numbers below 20. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. We have to check 391 is divisible by all these numbers or any of one or not. Let's check for 2. This should be a living number, so not divisible by 2. For 3 and 10, 13 is not divisible by 2. For 5, this one is 0 or 5 is not divisible. For 7, check. 7, 5 is 35, 41, 7, 5 is 35. Remainder 6 not divisible by 7. Let's check for 11. 11, so 11, 3 is 33. Remainder 61. 61 is not divisible by. But let's check 13. 33 is 39, 1. Remainder 0, remainder 1, so not divisible by 13. Let's check for 17. 17 2 is 34, 51, 73 is 51. So here it is perfectly divisible. So it divides 391 is divisible by the prime number 17. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. You will check this number is prime number or a composite number. Let's comment me. Thank you for watching.